Hey everybody, this is Miss Brannick, and today is Tuesday, October 27th. The tape, so if you're here watching this and we're going over bell ringers and we're going to go over our answer, if you are a virtual student, you're doing a great job. I'm thanking you for watching the videos. If you are a hybrid student, hopefully you're just watching this video as review. Remember, we did this in class. So this is what we did either in group A, we did this Monday and Tuesday. If you are group B, we did this Thursday and Friday. So if you sit in my class and you endure my craziness for 49 minutes per day for 2 days, then you don't do this work for Thursday. You scoot on down to Thursday and Friday. If you're virtual students, you do all 4 days. Because remember, my hybrid students are in class 2 days and then they practice 2 days. My virtual students, you have 4 days worth of work as well, but all 4 of yours just happens to be on the computer. I hope that makes sense. Hybrid students, thank you for watching this video. But remember, when it's over, you don't do the Tuesday work. You scoot on down to Thursday. Okay. Anyway, Thursday and Friday, because 2 days. All right. Nonetheless, here we go. The tape diagram below compares the number of ghosts to the number of zombies in a parade. So we're looking at ghost to zombies. Ghost to zombies. So order does matter. Remember, when you slide on up to slide 2 and you've read those, hopefully you're going to go right now after this video is over and you've watched it. You're going to complete your work maybe and then go copy your vocabulary. That is part of your assignment, is to copy your vocabulary into your ISN. I don't know that it's listed on this slide, but it is part of your assignment. Please do that. So anyway, the ratio of ghost, that number is 3. Do you see the 3 boxes? 1, 2, 3. And we can write that with the word 2. And then zombies is 7. If you count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, just kidding. It's 3 to 9. 3 to 9. All right. So then that ratio reduces to a lower term. If you wanted to do that, you could. That would be fabulous if you knew that was really 1 to 3 as well. They are equivalent ratios. And if you read your vocabulary, you know that that means that they are the same. Okay. Then it says, for every movie ticket sold, the cinema makes $7. Write the ratio. So for every movie ticket sold, how many is that? 1. That's that implied 1. So it's 1 movie ticket sold. They make how much money? $7. And we don't really write the dollar sign in there just to be sure that we're just talking about the units and we're trying to just hold it and keep it. Remember, mathematicians like to write as concisely as possible. So on ratios, we're not necessarily worried about dollar signs or anything. It's not wrong. It's just, trying to get us used to writing in smaller amount of space. Okay. Is 9 prime or composite and why? So that's using your vocabulary. It should be in your ISN. So 9 has 3 factors, 1 and 9, and then you have 3 and 3, but because that's the same number, 9 has 3 factors. Well, that's more than 2, so therefore 9 is composite. And then you can put your I know this because IKTB. 9 has more than 2 factors. Be very specific. I've seen a lot of things like 9 has more than 3 numbers, or something about like it'll go into it. That's factors are gazintos, but it has more than 2 factors. That's the definition that I want you to know. It's very important to keep that in your brain. Okay. The next thing that you're going to do, you have 8 problems. Not that bad. Okay, maybe it's 12. Whatever. Not that bad. And so you're going to read the question and you're going to drag and drop the answer. This one's pretty straightforward. It was like how many ride bikes and how many walk. And you just have to write what is the ratio of the numbers who ride a bike to the numbers of students who walk. And you just 8 to 6 and you drag and drop the answer. Some of them are a little bit more complex. I really like this problem here, except it went away because I scooted on down. I didn't mean to. All right. Oh, did it again. So it says the Double number line below shows the ratio of red leaves. So you have this number line here, and this is like Monopoly. So if you're on 0, you don't count this. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4 lines have to equal 64. So how much is each line worth? Well, 64 divided by 4 lines, that'd be 16. So you think 16, and this was 32, and this is 48, and this is 64. How did I know that? I took 64, which was the end number here, divided by the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This yellow line shows 4 lines going up to 4. Well, that one's pretty easy because you just count by ones. This one, make sure you're reading it carefully. This one just talks about 15 minutes, 17 balloons. This is 30 minutes, 34 balloons. And so then it says, how many can he do in an hour or 60 minutes? Notice it kind of skips around a little bit. It won't be whatever 17 times 3 is. Whatever that is. 17 times 3. 51. So that would not be 51. Think about that. That would be if it was 45 minutes and it's holding that pattern. So you need to look very carefully and try to find your answers. So you're just reading the question, drag and drop. Read the question, drag and drop. Okay, there's 12 of them. So there's no exit slip today. So be sure to do this. This is a big part of your grade. Remember, hybrid students, we already did this. So you've already got it done. Virtual students, read the questions, drag and drop. Okay. And then it's just making that equivalency. Sam makes 35 cups of donut topping for the party by mixing sugar and, I'm going to say that cinnamon. I can't say that close. The ratio of sugar to cinnamon is shown in 3 to 2. How much sugar did Sam use in the donut topping? 35 cups. That's one of those complicated problems. I love those problems. How many boxes do you have? You have a total of 5 boxes. So 5 goes into 35 7 times. So that's 7, 14, 21. And this is another 14. 21 and 14 is 35. So that tells you this is 21 cups of sugar and this is 14. So you take, and that answer's not even over there. Okay. Just kidding. All right. Moving right along. You can take a text box here and just insert the answer. And you're going to write 14. 14 cups of sugar. And you might, fill it up. I don't know. Let's fill it with some color. I'm going to go with this orange color. And I'm going to type in a big O number. And we're all going to type in 14 because the answer's not over there. If your answer's not there, just make your own little text box. Text box, put in your answer. Fill her up. Okay. I'm wondering if, all right, good luck. Let me know what questions you might have. There's 20, let's see. Let me do this one with you guys just real quick. I'm going to zoom in. Lee had a total of 21 balloons at her party. So that's a total. That means to add. So you're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 boxes. So we added both boxes together. How does 7 become 21? Well, that means each box is worth 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. And then this one down here is 3, 6, 9 at black. And if you add 12 and 9, you do get 21. But that tells me that there are 12 orange balloons. And again, that answer's not there. So you're going to have to drag and drop and do it. The rest of them, I think, are, no, that's another one. There are 40 cookies at the party, chocolate to pumpkin. And so total of 40 cookies. That's how much they have in all. So you would add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So that means that chocolate would be worth 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15. 25 and 15 is 40. So that tells me there are 15. 5, 10, 15 at the party. And again, you're going to add these together, divide it in, and it's complicated. Every single one of these are like that. That's awesome. So it's just an add. It's just an add thing. You just add them together. Oh, I didn't think we were going to do this yet, but that's okay. All right. Have a blessed day. Good luck. If you have any questions, comment below.